We'll guide you through how to delete all wallpapers on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So over time, you've probably gone and changed your wallpaper a lot, and so you end up with lots of different ones, and now you want to go and delete them. We're going to guide you through how this is done, so make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may miss an important part of this. So if you go and open up your settings here, you scroll down and go and find the option for wallpaper. There it is. You can go and swipe across it and go and see there are lots. So you may even have more than me. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and delete them. You don't actually do this in the settings app for some reason. It's not there. So you can come out of it, drag down on the left on the clock to get to the sort of lock screen or notification center. Don't do it on the right because that opens the control center. And then on this screen, you tap and hold your finger. Now you can swipe across and go and see them again, and we can start deleting them. So you can swipe up and press the trash can, and you can go and delete every single one. So I'm going to go and delete them all. It doesn't take too long. So that's it. That's how you can go and delete them all. And if you want to go and delete this current one, you will need to go and have one. So you can go and make another one. You do need to go and have one wallpaper for you to go and use. So if you want to go and delete this current one, press the plus, and we could then go and set a new one. So you can swipe across and choose the one you like, press add in the top right, and we can then go and set it. And then we can go and delete this one here. So that's it. That's how you can go and delete them all. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.